Good morning, everyone. So my topic is classification of cerebrovascular accident, ischemic stroke in the vertebrobasilar basin, clinic and diagnostic treatment. Next. So cerebrovascular accident and their classifications: ischemic stroke, thrombotic and embolic, hemorrhagic stroke, intracerebral hemorrhage, subarachnoid hemorrhage, and aneurysm. Next. So I will talk about ischemic stroke. Inadequate blood due to the inadequate blood flow to the brain and brain from partial or complete occlusion of an artery. 85% of all strokes extent of a stroke depends on extent of a stroke depends on rapidity of one side rapidity, one size of the lesion, presence of collateral circulation. Symptoms may progress in the first 72 hours as infraction and cerebral edema increases. The symptoms may progress in the first 72 hours of an infarction and cerebral edema increases. The type of ischemic strokes are thrombotic stroke and embolic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke is 50% of all stroke, results from bleeding into the brain and tissue itself, intracerebral subarachnoid. Next. Intracerebral hemorrhage and the stroke. A rupture of a vessel, hypertension, most important cause others, vascular malformation, coagulation, disorder, anticoagulation, trauma, and brain tumors, ruptured enuresis. Subarachnoid hemorrhage, hemorrhagic stroke. Subarachnoid hemorrhagic stroke is intracranial bleeding into the cerebrospinal fluid, field space between the arachnoid and pia mater membrane on the surface. Next. Cerebrovascular accident, clinical manifestation, and vertebrobasilar involvement. Unilateral or bilateral sensory loss, contralateral or bilateral weakness, dysphagia, impaired speech of articulation, dysphagia, difficult in swallowing, hoarseness, ataxia, vertigo, unilateral hearing loss, visual disturbance, that is blindness, homonymous, hemanopsia, nymphagia, and diplopia. Next. Cerebrovascular accident and their treatment goals. The what we can give, that is prevention, drug therapy, surgical therapy, and rehabilitation. Next. Cerebrovascular accident treatment. So drug in the drug therapy, we can give thrombotic CVA to reestablish the blood flow through a block artery, thrombolytic drug, RTPA, that is tissue plasminogen activator. Plasminogen is converted to a plasmin fibrinolysis. Enzymatic action digests the fibrin and fibrinogenesis. Administration with the 3 hours of symptoms of that ischemia, CVA, patient anticoagulate and calcium channel blockers. Next. Cerebrovascular accident and the diagnostic studies. PE assessment, carotid brutes, carotid Doppler studies, ultrasound study, CT, uh, primary identifies the size, location, differentiate between ischemic and hemorrhagic, then and CT angiography, visual vascular rates, MRI, greater specificity than CT scan, may not be able to cause on all patients mm, metal or claustrophobia. Angiography, the gold standard for imaging carotid arteries. Next. Thank you.